Hey, what's up, guys? Ant here, and today we are going to be using a new feature from Photoshop called Generative Fill. Now, I have a picture here. Let me pull up this picture here. Now, the idea is to not only see what it can generate, but let's see if it can do it with a microphone. Like, no texting in the prompts. Let's just see if I can speak it into the system. Let's see what we can do. So pull up the keyboard here. Let's click on this microphone. Okay, it's working. Okay, good. No, we don't need anything right now. Hold on. The system's going crazy. Okay, so let's click on our picture here. Let's do about right at the base of the castle here. Okay, that works. Hit Generative Fill. Now let's see if this text works. Sunny day at a beach in California. Guys, do you see? Wait a minute. Why is it so proportionate? Do you guys see this? Look at this. And you didn't even have to use your keyboard. Wait a minute. There's no way. I don't know if those are umbrellas or what, but by golly, that's believable. So let's click on our second one. Oh, wow. And they get better, guys. Now, just to make sure that we haven't gone mad, let's just go ahead and regenerate that. Let's just make sure that what happened just happened. I like the double-sided beach. That is amazing. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. This is amazing. This is definitely amazing. Yeah, this would, I'm not quite sure if those are just legs or whatever it is, but I have to say, guys, this is amazing, especially because we didn't have to use our keyboard. You just text it right into it. Think of a prompt, put it right there. That's amazing. I have no other words. That's great. That's great. Now, can you picture the possibilities with this right here? That is the coolest thing in the world. And if you look at all these, look at the blends. It's seamless. Like, it's seamless, guys. And it matches. I think this one here is number 3. It looks like the most believable one because of it's just so, I believe this one's the perfect one, even down to the people. It even got the people right. That's too cool. So now, guys, the question becomes, what type of creativity can we create now? That is amazing. This is pretty cool. Photoshop did a good job. They've been at it for years. They did a good job. This is good right here. Now, just think of the improvements when things get better, more streamlined, and if you can find different variations of photos that actually would blend the colors, blend the shapes, make the shapes more accurate. That's going to be awesome, man. That's going to be awesome. That That looks good. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. For the ones who haven't seen the new Generative Fill feature, there you have it. Now, also, I didn't type in anything. I spoke the mic directly into it. Wow. Shout out to those guys. That's good. All right, guys. That is it for this video. And like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Man, that's pretty cool.